headline number for the stimulus package is $787 billion, and that actually will be felt over several years. So it's a little bit misleading. It's going to be perhaps $300 or $400 billion this year that we'll feel. If you were to allocate that money across the country evenly according to the population, you would expect that St. Louis would get just under 1% of that total amount. So that would be something about $7 billion, again, spread over probably a couple of years, maybe half of that coming in the first year. And of the total amount, the $787 billion, that's broken down into tax breaks of just under $300 billion, direct aid, primarily to the states, of just under $200 billion, and then what's called discretionary spending of about $300 billion. And so if St. Louis were to receive a proportionate share, just under 1% of those amounts, that would be something like $2.7 billion in tax breaks, $1.8 billion in direct aid, and $2.9 billion of discretionary spending. So those are large numbers. Nevertheless, relative to the size of the St. Louis economy, for example, it's still only on the order of 3% of personal income. So it certainly has the potential to be felt, but it's not likely to change the basic adjustments that are going on.